Hugh John Mungo Grant, professionally known as Hugh Grant, was born on 9th of September in 1960. He is an English actor. Today he is celebrating his birthday of 64 years. He is an actor who established himself early in his career as a charming actor. In his career, he has received many accolades including British Academy Film Award, a Golden Globe Award, 2 Primetime Emmy Awards, and he received an honorary Caesar in 2006. As of 2018, his films has grossed a total of nearly $3 billion worldwide. In 2022, Time Out magazine listed Grant as one of British 50 greatest actors of all time. Some of movies he acted in are Privilege, Morris, Restoration, Sense of Sensibility, The Remain of the Day, Richard Courts, 4 Weddings and a Funeral, 2 Weeks Notice, Love Actually, Music and Lyrics, Florence Foster Jenkins, Paddington, The Gentleman, Wonka, and many others. Wishing happy birthday to Hugh Grant. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion or recommendation, write into the comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Uyu munsi ni isabukuru y'amavuko ya Hugh John Mungo Grant, wamenyekanye ku mazina akoresha muri filime nka Hugh Grant. Yavutse tariki 9 z'ukwa 9 1960. Uyu munsi yagize isabukuru y'imyaka 64. Akaba ari umwongereza w'umukinnyi w'amafilime. Watangiye yimenyekanisha cyane kubera uburanga bw'isura ye ndetse n'ubuhanga bugaragara mu kureshya abantu. Kubera gukina amafilime yegukanye ibihembo bitandukanye harimo Golden Globe Award, inshuro 2 yatsindiye Prime Emmy Award, kandi mu mwaka wa 2006 yahawe ishimwe ryiswe Caesar. Mu mwaka wa 2022 Time Out magazine, ikinyamakuru cyo mu Bwongereza, cyamushize ku rutonde rw'abantu 50 b'abakinnyi b'Abongereza beza babayeho ku isi. Zimwe muri filime yacyinnyemo harimo nka 2 Weeks Notice, The Gentleman, Wonka, About a Boy, Love Actually, Music and Lyrics, ndetse n'izindi nyinshi cyane. Wakoze kubana nanjye, nagusaba kanda like na subscribe ujye umenya amakuru agezweho. Hari igitekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wanyandikira muri comment. Urakoze, ugira ibihe byiza.